Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of struggling with pet hair and dust bunnies in your home? The Bissell PowerClean FurGuard 280W self-standing is here to revolutionize your cleaning routine. This powerful stick vacuum is designed to make quick work of even the toughest messes, leaving your floors and surfaces looking and feeling like new. With its powerful 280W motor and advanced FurFinder headlights, you'll be able to find and capture even the most hidden pet hair and fine dust and debris, giving you a deeper clean than ever before. The result is a floor that feels smooth and clean under your feet, and a sense of satisfaction that comes with knowing your home is truly clean. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a well-reviewed and popular choice among pet owners and cleaning enthusiasts. One of the key benefits of the Bissell PowerClean FurGuard is its ability to remove up to 95% of embedded pet hair, 2 times faster than similar products on the market. The FurFinder Tool is particularly effective on couches, chairs, stairs, and even auto interiors, making it a versatile and essential cleaning tool. The sound of the vacuum, as it glides across hardwood floors, is smooth and quiet, while the feel of the ergonomic handle in your hand is comfortable and secure. The self-cleaning brush roll is another standout feature, preventing hair wrap and clogging on hair up to 16 inches long, and powerfully vacuuming debris across multiple surfaces with a gentle humming noise. The self-standing design is also a major convenience, allowing you to pause and resume cleaning without having to worry about propping up the vacuum or searching for a place to lean it. Whether you're tackling daily messes or deep cleaning your home, the Bissell PowerClean FurGuard 280W self-standing is a reliable and effective tool that will make the process faster, easier, and more efficient, giving you more time to focus on the "if this helped" hit. Link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.